Why am I coughing? Know the reasons. Hi friends, welcome to another video. I hope you will be fine. In this video, I'll tell you the reasons behind coughing. Coughing is a common reflex action that clears your throat of mucus or foreign irritants. While everyone coughs to clear their throat from time to time, a number of conditions can cause more frequent coughing. If your cough lasts between 3 and 8 weeks, improving by the end of that period, it is considered a subacute cough. A persistent cough that lasts more than 8 weeks is a chronic cough. You should see a doctor if you cough up blood or have a barking cough. You should also contact them if your cough hasn't improved within a few weeks, as this could indicate something more serious. A cough can be caused by several conditions, both temporary and permanent. 1. To clear the throat. Coughing is a standard way of clearing your throat. If your airways become clogged with mucus or foreign particles such as smoke or dust, a cough is a reflex reaction that attempts to clear the particles and make breathing easier. Usually, this type of coughing is relatively infrequent, but coughing will increase with exposure to irritants such as smoke. 2. Respiratory tract infection. The most common cause of cough is a respiratory tract infection such as a cold or flu. Respiratory tract infections are usually caused by a virus and may last from a few days to a week. Infections caused by the flu may take a little longer to clear up and can sometimes require antibiotics. 3. Smokers' cough. Smoking is a common cause of coughing. A cough caused by smoking is almost always a chronic cough with a distinctive sound. It is often known as a smoker's cough. 4. Asthmatic cough. A common cause of coughing in young children is the asthma. Typically, asthmatic cough involves wheezing, making it easy to identify. Asthma exacerbations should receive treatment using an inhaler. It's possible for children to grow out of asthma as they got older. 5. Medications. Some medications will cause coughing, although this is generally a rare side effect. Angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, commonly used to treat high blood pressure and heart conditions, can cause coughing. Two of the more common ones are Zestril, Visotec. The coughing stops when the medication is discontinued. 6. Other related conditions. Other conditions that may cause a cough include damage to the vocal cords, post-nasal drip, bacterial infections such as pneumonia, whooping cough, and croup, serious conditions such as pulmonary embolism and heart failure. Another common condition that can cause a chronic cough is gastroesophageal reflux disease. In this condition, stomach contents flow back into the esophagus. This backflow stimulates a reflux in the trachea, causing the person to cough. This is it guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks.